First, let us find the image of the circle. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y minus 4 is equal to 0. With respect to the line, 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So to find the center of the circle, we know that if the circle equation is given x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, then the center can be taken as minus g comma minus f, and the radius r is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. So here in this circle, center I can write, let us mark it as a center P. So 1 comma, so here we can write it as minus 2, and radius under root of g square, that is minus 1 whole square, and f square, that is 2 square, minus of minus 4, which is equal to under root of 1 plus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 3. So we got the radius 3 units, and the center is 1 comma minus 2. So we need to find the image of this point. Image of this point with respect to the line. With respect to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Let us consider the images here. P dash, say h comma k. So we have the relation h minus x1 upon a is equal to k minus y1 upon b is equal to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. So let us apply the concept here. We need to find the image of the point 1 comma minus 2, say x1 y1, and say here the O center, let us take it as h comma k. So we can write h minus 1 upon 2 is equal to coefficient of x is 2, and k minus of minus 1, that is k plus 2 divided by coefficient of y is minus 3 is equal to minus 2 times of ax1, that is 2 into 1, 2 into 1 2, minus 3 into minus 2, that is plus 6, and again plus 5 divided by 2 square plus 3 square minus 3 whole square, that is h minus 1 upon 2 is equal to k plus 2 divided by minus 3 is equal to minus 2 into 13 divided by 9 plus 4 13, so minus 2. So we can write h minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 2. So we can write h minus 1 is equal to minus 4. So h is equal to minus 4 plus 1, that is negative 3. And similarly, k plus 2 upon negative 3 is equal to minus 2, which implies k plus 2 is equal to 6. So k is equal to 6 minus 2, which is 4. So therefore the center of the circle, required circle C is h 4 minus 3 comma 4. Say this is O minus 3 comma 4. Obviously the radius will be the same as the first circle because it is image of the circle. So radius is equal to 3 units. So we got the center of circle C is both minus 3 comma 4 and its radius is 3 units. Now let's see the second part. A be the point on the C such that OA is parallel to x-axis and A lies on the right hand side of the center of the O. So let us mark the point is here. And if point B alpha comma beta, B is alpha comma beta, where beta is smaller than 4, which means it lies should be below the 4. Here 4 units are there. So B should be below the OA such that the length of the arc AB is equal to length of arc AB is equal to 1/6 of the perimeter of C, that is circumference, perimeter of the circle C. So we can write perimeter of the circle is 2 pi r, 2 into pi into, and radius r is equal to 3 units. So we can write 3. So 2 into 3, 6 get cancelled. So length of arc is pi. So this length AB is equal to 6 units. And also we know that the length of the arc when theta is an angle, theta by 360 degrees into 2 pi r, and the length is given as pi. So here r is 3 units. So here 2 3s are 6, 60 times, and pi get cancelled. So here we can write angle theta is equal to 60 degrees in degrees. When angle is 60 degrees and it's below, so let us consider the angle is negative 60 degrees when we are taking, and the parametric coordinates of the point B, we can write h plus r cos theta, comma k plus r sin theta. So let us consider theta is in negative direction because it is in anti-clockwise direction. So it is clockwise. So minus 60. So we take the point B, h plus, that is minus 3 plus r is nothing but 3 units into cos of minus 60 degrees, and k plus, that is 4 plus r, that is 3 times of sine of minus 60 degrees, which is equal to minus 3 plus 3 times of cos of negative theta is equal to cos theta, and cos 60 value is 1 by 2. So here we can write 1 by 2, comma 4, and sine of negative theta is equal to minus sine theta, and sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So here we can write minus 3 into root 3 by 2. So minus 6 plus 3, minus 3 by 2, and here it is 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 2. So this is alpha and this is beta. Now we need to find beta minus root 3 times of alpha, that is 4 minus 3 root 3 by 2 minus root 3 times of alpha value is again minus 3 by 2, that is 4 minus 3 root 3 by 2 plus 3 root 3 by 2. So which on simplifying we will get the answer 4. So we can go with an option B. 4 is the answer.